This is our coin. This is a iridium material. This is a very rare item. In this video I will show you how to perform auto fire with this coin. For that this is a normal matchbox. It is available in all stores around 1 rupees only. This is a ordinary matchbox. We are not using any chemical for this one. This is a original matchbox. For auto fire purpose, somebody using some chemicals. In this video I will show you clearly. I will show you how to perform the auto fire magic. This is the coin. This is 100% a real magical power of a rice pulling coin. You can clearly watch. Sometimes it will take more than 4 or 5 minutes. Sometimes we will get suddenly fire. Depends upon our radiation power of rice pulling coin. Sometimes it will work both sides. Sometimes it will work only any of the single side. Carefully watch. I am not applied any chemical on this. Look the tissue paper. There is no chemicals. We have to wait. Yes. We will try the other face of the rice pudding going. Yes. The matchbox sticks got fire. Yeah, this is the real magic power of a rice pulling coin. If you having a rice pulling coin, you can try this magic at home. This is 100% a real magic power of a rice pulling coin. Here you can match the Ujala test with RP